Hello and welcome to another episode of Thursday Throwbacks. I am Kumar Singh from Design Analytics LLC. The paper, or it's actually not a paper, but it was a proposal that we are going to discuss today is the proposal that first coined the term artificial intelligence. Yes, the proposal was called a proposal for the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence. So yeah, that was the name of the proposal or the title of the proposal, a proposal for the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence. I think it was published in 1955 or proposed in 1955. The name of the authors, as you can see here, were John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon. Right? What was the key aspect, right? Coining the term artificial intelligence was what actually grabbed our attention, my attention. But what was the big motivation behind this proposal? Like, why did these key think tank thought leaders decided to float that proposal, right? So the big idea or motivation behind this proposal was that every aspect of learning or any other feature of intelligence can, in principle, be so precisely described that a machine should be able to or can be made to simulate it. Now, as you can imagine, this ambitious conjuncture at that time, right? Or I think the right word is conjecture. Yeah, so this ambitious conjecture at that time set out to explore machine simulation of human intelligence through computational means, and that was the journey, right, of artificial intelligence algorithm. That was you can think about it as the start of the journey of artificial intelligence algorithm, right? So the proposal was basically for a workshop. I think it was a 6 to 8 weeks workshop. Right? One of the attractive aspects about this proposal, at least for me, was that it was designed for approximately 10 researchers, but what was more important was it aimed to bring together expertise in maths, engineering and psychology into one collaborative setting. And this is a view or perspective that we often miss in today's world, where we are so much focused on development and coding and things like that, that we fail to realize that there is a certain polymath aspect to building solutions, right? And as technology becomes more and more commoditized, that polymath aspect, bringing together expertise in various fields or developing expertise in more than one domain in your professionals, in your resources, is critical, right? But that was a deviation, right? So let's get back to the core research focuses, right? So the proposal basically outlined 7 problem areas that they wanted to study in this summer project. One was automatic computers, right? Using programmable machines to mimic any job a human intelligence could perform. Second was the language use, investigating how machines can understand and generate natural language. So you can see how the era of AI that we are in can be traced back to this proposal, right? Neural networks, right, was another one of the 7 outlines. So basically exploring models inspired by biological neural systems. In previous episode, we went through the paper that proposed the term neural networks in the context of algorithms, right? Computational complexity was another area, establishing theoretical limits and efficiency of algorithms. Self-improvement was another area, examining machines that can learn or improve from experience. And I hope you are also smiling just like me, because it's amazing how those aspects are captured in today's AI algorithms, right? Abstraction. Developing how machines can form conceptual abstractions and generalize, right? Randomness and creativity, investigating creativity, problem solving and non-deterministic behaviors. So after going through those 7 points, you can understand that this proposal had a foundational impact. It marked the birth of AI as a formal scientific field. It introduced a broad and ambitious research agenda. Many themes, like some of the themes that we covered just now, many themes in the paper remain central today, and it also established a collaborative model of research across disciplines that still defines AI progress. Well, that is all for this episode. I will see you again next week.